Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to allow standard users to change system time in Windows 10. Type secpal.msc in Windows search bar. Click secpal.msc. Click and expand local policies. Click and expand user rights assignment. Open change the system time. Click add user or group. Click object types. Check groups. Type users, click check names. Click OK. Click apply, OK. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.